In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message to employers on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, sending a message to potential employers can be a great way to express your interest in a job, clarify any details about the listing, or even ask questions about the company culture. With that in mind, let's jump right into the steps. First, the very first thing you want to do is log into your Indeed account. If you don't have an account yet, it's really easy to set one up. Just go to the Indeed website, click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts to create your profile. A strong profile helps not just with messaging employers, but also in attracting job listings that fit your skills and experience. Once you're logged in, you should navigate to the job listing you're interested in. You can find this by using the search bar at the top of the page. Enter keywords related to the job you're after, or include the specific title or company name if you have that in mind. After hitting the search button, scroll through the results until you find the job that resonates with you. When you've located the job listing, it's time to click on it. This page will usually provide you with important details about the job, such as the responsibilities, qualifications, and most importantly, contact information for the employer or hiring manager. Now, take a moment to read through the job description carefully. Often, job listings will detail how the employer prefers to be contacted. If they have provided a specific method for communication, it's important to adhere to that. Otherwise, you may see an option that says Message Employer or Contact Employer. Go ahead and click that button. Before you send your message, it's a good idea to think about what you want to say. Keep in mind, this is your chance to make a first impression. Start by introducing yourself and mentioning the position you're inquiring about. For instance, you could begin with, "Hello, my name is your name, and I'm interested in the job title position that was recently listed." This sets a courteous tone and shows that you are genuinely interested. Next, you might want to express what excites you about the position or the company. This could be anything from their mission statement, recent accomplishments, or even projects you have come across that you find fascinating. This is your opportunity to show a little bit of personality and also why you think you would be a great fit for the team. Now, if you have specific questions, whether it's about the job duties, the team structure, or perhaps the company culture, don't hesitate to include those too. Questions can prompt a dialogue, encouraging the employer to engage with you more. For example, you could ask, "Could you provide more insight into the team I would be working with?" Or, "What does a typical day look like in this role?" This helps both you and the employer see if you might be a good match. Once you've crafted your message, take a moment to proofread it. Simple typos or grammar mistakes can affect how you are perceived. It's worth it to double-check that everything is clear and professional. After you're satisfied, go ahead and hit that send button. Finally, while waiting for a response, give it some time. Employers receive many inquiries, and it could take a few days for them to get back to you. Be patient, and if you haven't heard anything in a week or two, it's absolutely acceptable to send a polite follow-up message to check in regarding your inquiry. And there you have it. You're now ready to confidently reach out to employers on Indeed. Stay proactive in your job search, and best of luck in finding the right opportunity. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting.